Once each bike gets a final sign-off, it moves to packaging. The packaging step was one of the first ways that Electric Bike Company impressed me last year when I received their bike for review. It was without a doubt the best packaged e-bike I have ever seen. They load the bikes into a huge box in completely assembled form. Customers don't have to do any assembly other than turning the handlebars straight. The bike is ready to ride right out of the box. They've even designed their own custom-cut foam to keep the bikes perfectly held and protected from accidental damage during shipping. If you've ever dealt with receiving and assembling an e-bike from other direct-to-consumer companies, you'll appreciate how much nicer it is to receive a fully assembled and properly packaged e-bike. The amount of effort that Electric Bike Company puts into their operation. I want to show you how it shows up to your door. The Model C from Electric Bike Company wins the Best Packed e-bike award from me, because it arrives fully assembled in this giant box. You literally just roll it out and untie the bow holding the custom-cut foam protectors onto the bike. Then you can straighten the handlebars and start riding right away. Electric Bike Company gets some serious props here from me for not making me screw a dozen parts onto a partially dinged up bike, like is sometimes the case with other direct-to-consumer e-bike companies. They also include a cute little hex wrench set instead of one dinky IKEA-style wrench that seems to fall apart after 3 turns. That's just another indication of the company's attention to detail.